Imagine stepping into the future of American luxury travel. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement, a moving mansion that combines elegance, power, and futuristic design in a way that feels almost impossible. But here it is. Standing in a high-end showroom, the first thing that grabs your attention is the sheer presence of this machine. Its massive, aerodynamic body stretches across 3 axles, riding on 6 polished chrome wheels that gleam under the ambient lighting. The two-tone paint job, a deep metallic cherry red flowing seamlessly into glossy black, reflects its surroundings like a mirror. Every line is carefully sculpted to balance elegance and aggression, giving it a road presence that commands respect without shouting. The low ground clearance, smooth, seamless panels, and hidden door handles all contribute to a design that's sleek, futuristic, and undeniably luxurious. From the front, the motorhome is breathtaking. The wide panoramic windshield curves gracefully over the driver's cabin, tinted just enough to maintain privacy while still offering unmatched visibility. Vertical LED daytime running lights frame the front edges, giving it a high-tech look that feels inspired by the best of luxury automobiles. The Cadillac-inspired grille with its premium mesh design adds a touch of American sophistication while signaling power and refinement. Look closely, and you notice the subtle reflections on the polished marble floor of the showroom, capturing every contour and curve of this masterful design. Step around to the rear, and you're greeted with integrated LED tail lights, smoothly designed to blend with the aerodynamic lines, keeping the rear as striking as the front. It's a motorhome that doesn't just move, it makes a statement from every angle. Slide around to the side, and the visual flow continues seamlessly. The wide windows stretch along the body, offering glimpses of the luxury that awaits inside. Smooth panels meet polished chrome wheels, and the low, aerodynamic stance suggests not just style, but control and stability on the road. The motorhome is a work of art, designed to turn heads whether parked in a showroom or rolling down a highway. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of extraordinary. The lounge is spacious, designed for comfort and functionality. Plush leather seating wraps around a polished coffee table, perfectly proportioned for socializing or relaxing in front of a panoramic window. Ambient LED lighting sets the tone, highlighting the minimalist design while providing warmth and elegance. Every surface is smooth and seamless, polished wood and marble finishes reflecting light in a way that enhances the space rather than overpowering it. Storage is cleverly integrated, maintaining clean lines and functionality without compromising style. Whether you're hosting friends, working remotely, or simply enjoying a quiet evening on the road, this lounge provides an environment of ultimate comfort. The driver's cabin is equally impressive. A modern, high-tech dashboard greets the driver, featuring digital displays, touchscreens, and controls designed for both efficiency and luxury. The panoramic windshield provides a commanding view of the road, while the seating combines ergonomic support with high-end leather finishes. Driving this motorhome isn't just a task, it's an experience. Every detail, from the steering wheel to the ambient lighting, is designed to make the journey as enjoyable as the destination. The integration of technology ensures that every system is intuitive, allowing the driver to focus on the road while staying connected and in control. Moving further inside, the bedroom provides a retreat worthy of any luxury home. A queen-size bed with high-end leather and fabric finishes sits at the center, surrounded by ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to suit the mood. Built-in storage is discreet and elegant, providing all the space you need without interrupting the flow of the room. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to fill the space during the day while providing privacy when needed. Polished wood and marble floors complete the high-end aesthetic, making the bedroom a sanctuary for rest after a day of travel. The bathroom continues this theme of futuristic luxury. Glass shower enclosures, marble countertops, and high-end fixtures create a space that feels both modern and serene. Ambient LED lighting highlights the surfaces, while seamless panels and polished metallic accents ensure that every detail is refined and purposeful. It's a bathroom that doesn't just function, it impresses, offering comfort and style in equal measure. Now, let's talk about performance. While this motorhome is designed with luxury and aesthetics in mind, it doesn't compromise on power. Its aerodynamic design and three-axle configuration provide stability, control, and smooth handling, whether cruising on a highway or navigating city streets. The low ground clearance ensures a grounded feel, while the polished wheels and carefully tuned suspension absorb the bumps and dips of the road with grace. This is a motorhome that invites you to drive it, to feel the power beneath you, and to enjoy a smooth, confident ride no matter the terrain. Whether rolling through an empty highway at sunset or maneuvering through a bustling city, it's engineered to offer a first-class driving experience. The highway performance is enhanced by advanced lighting systems and high-tech safety features, ensuring that every journey is both comfortable and secure. Night driving transforms this vehicle into a spectacle, with LED lights illuminating the road and highlighting the glossy exterior. On a jungle road or remote trail, the aerial and side perspectives reveal its capability to handle diverse terrains while maintaining the elegance and poise of a luxury vehicle. It's a motorhome that doesn't just travel, it dominates every environment it enters, whether urban, rural, or off the beaten path. Price is always a consideration with vehicles of this caliber. While specific pricing for a fully realized version of this motorhome would depend on final production and customizations, it's positioned firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. Every inch, every panel, every feature has been carefully considered to provide not just transportation, but a lifestyle. Owning a vehicle like this isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about experiencing a level of comfort, sophistication, and style that few other vehicles can offer. It's an investment in an unparalleled travel experience, one that combines design, technology, and craftsmanship at the highest level. Beyond the mechanics and finishes, what makes this motorhome truly special is its design. This is a personal creation, a vision brought to life with imagination and precision. It's important to note that this design is self-made, a concept realized through careful planning and visualization, and it is not yet an official production model. However, the possibilities for the future are incredibly exciting. The features, materials, and overall aesthetic showcased here could very well inspire real-world production models in the coming years. It's a glimpse into what American motorhomes might look like when luxury, innovation, and design meet in perfect harmony. From the exterior to the interior, from performance to aesthetics, this motorhome embodies a new era of travel. Every detail is a reflection of careful thought and creativity, from the reflective two-tone paint to the ambient lighting in the lounge, bedroom, and bathroom. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving statement, a blend of futuristic design, high-end materials, and practical functionality. Every time you walk around it, step inside, or take it for a drive, you're reminded that this is more than a motorhome. It's a vision of the future. The balance of form and function is what sets this vehicle apart. The exterior exudes power and style, while the interior provides warmth, comfort, and utility. The technology integration ensures that every journey is seamless and intuitive. And while it is a vision today, it holds the promise of becoming a reality tomorrow. The combination of high-end craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and futuristic inspiration makes this motorhome a landmark concept that could redefine the standards of luxury travel. In conclusion, this ultra-luxury American motorhome is an extraordinary blend of design, comfort, performance, and imagination. It is meticulously crafted in concept, with an attention to detail that rivals the finest vehicles on the road. While it remains a self-made design at this stage, it represents a clear vision for what the future of motorhomes could be, an era where luxury, technology, and innovation converge to create a vehicle that is both functional and breathtaking. Whether cruising through city streets, rolling along highways, exploring jungles, or parked majestically in a showroom, it captures the imagination and delivers a sense of style and sophistication that is unmatched. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a dream, and a glimpse into the future of luxury travel.